No, don't shake here. Oh, no, he's gonna shake right here. Oh. Oh.
Well, I just got a picture of the lake.
He's gonna shake right next to you, Bruce.
Ah!
He's pretty good though about shaking, actually.
Yeah.
A running photo. Oh man. It's spitting on my glasses.
Yeah, so what are you trying to say?
Oh.
Julian, come back so I can get you both in a picture.
He got in the water.
Oh, he'll get in a little
Kinda,
bit.
kinda.
He never gets in all the way.
Yeah.
Right.
He'll get in up to his stomach.
It's raining. I thought we were gonna get away with no rain.
Well, we don't know that it's raining at their place.
True.
Trouble.
Well,
Julian!
Dave would have probably said.
Look at all
Come
the
here.
geese over there hiding
Huh?
in the corner. See them over there?
Yeah, they were all over here.
Yeah, they were over there and they moved over.